Hi everyone. So the purpose of this video is to answer a few questions and clear up a few things about D2L, how to use our course, the order to do things in, and what needs to be done each week. So I'm in student view right now. This is exactly what you will see when you log in. Over here you'll have any new emails from me or the classmates or other instructors. An unread discussion post will show up here as well. We'll take you to those if you click on that. Okay, so be keeping up to date with that there. Notifications and emails up here at the top for you. Okay, when you log into the class each week, if you're in section 10 or 501, it's the same right now, so don't worry that this says 500 for this video. It's the same material and display that you have in your course as well, okay? So it applies to both. You'll see in here news updates. So I'll do things like I did this week with midweek update. Maybe it will be a video or a post reminding you about an upcoming quiz, exam, paper that's due, things like that. So when you log in, you can see all those news updates. These are basically announcements and things of that nature. Once you finish with it, you can dismiss it using these X's here. Okay, and they'll all show up here for you. So be sure to check in with those and make sure you're seeing what's going on and just keeping up to date on everything that's happening in the class. Okay, so for each week, over on the content page, there is a module for each one. So when you log in, this is what you see for the first one. For the purpose of this video, I have created a demonstration module or an example module. So when you click on each one, you'll have a to-do list, and then it will have links to what's expected of you for that week. So any outside readings will show up there, any quizzes, tests, forum posting, or discussion board posting you have to do will all show up in there. Okay. The only thing that doesn't show up are discussion posts that require specific restrictions. So each week you have to score 80% on that week's reading quiz to access the discussion. So it doesn't show up here because I haven't taken this quiz yet. For each week, you'll go to the to-do example or the to-do list. Okay, it will give you the assigned readings that you have to do for that week. If any of them are external or online or separate from your textbook, they'll show up with a hyperlink as well. You can click that and go to that content itself. Then it will have your guided learning activity, your reading quiz, and then this is your discussion topic, okay? And so this lets you see, yes, I've done that, no, I haven't done that, this is the next step. This is the order you should do things in each and every week. Assigned readings first, so you're learning on your own, you're reading these things, you're becoming familiar with the material. Then you'll go to the guided learning, which is essentially a lecture, okay, with some spaces for you to answer questions. Then you'll take the reading quiz. This is a quiz that makes sure everyone is on the same page by the time we get to the discussion boards, and keeps you honest and making sure you're keeping up with the readings. Okay, I do these in my face-to-face classes as well. It keeps everyone honest and on the same page, and I really think they're helpful for learning. Okay, and then once you've completed that with an 80% success rate, then you can move on to the discussion topic or topics for that week, all of which will be listed there for you. Okay, so either you can click that link and it will take you, or you can go into the module, remember here, and click that link. It will take you there. Or you can go to the quizzes link. Okay, this will show you all active quizzes. Guided learning activities, reading quizzes. These two are published for you to see. There are others that aren't published yet. Okay, so the example guided learning activity, you do that first. So you log in, you'll hit start quiz. Excuse me, it's trying to click on my recorder there. It will say, would you like to start the quiz? Yes, I would. That's why I clicked on it. Okay. Then what will happen is you'll have these videos. These are usually going to be me talking or something like this, an interesting TED Talk video like that. Okay. Underneath there will be spaces for you to write notes or spaces for you to answer questions. Okay. These are mostly participation points. So they're worth 10 points each week. You might have 20 questions. You might have 2 questions. Mostly it's participation, right? So if you're actively engaged in that, you're writing responses, you're taking notes, then you're going to earn those points. Okay, so you watch the video, then you answer the questions. I watched the video. Well, I didn't, so you answer false, okay? But hopefully you did, so we'll go with true. Let's say hypothetically we watch this video, answer true, save your responses, submit the quiz, okay? And then you have to submit again and one last time. And then it will show you that you've submitted the quiz. If this doesn't show up, you haven't submitted the quiz and I cannot see it. Okay, so you need to make sure you do that. Hit done, takes you back. Okay, and then you should be able to click on your attempt. Should let you, I think once it's graded or shown, it will let you view it. Okay, So you go back, and then once you complete that, it'll tell you attempts 1 of 1, okay? In actuality, as you can see here, the guided learning activities are unlimited. Starting next week, the reading quizzes will have 2 chances to pass us with an 80%, okay? So after you do the guided learning, you'll click reading quiz. Again, you're going to want to start the quiz. Yes, we want to start. Okay, this is going to be information from all assigned readings and the guided learning activities. So that was a great video. Very true. I did the assigned readings this week. Yes, I love Anthropology. I am ready to discuss, but I'm not a student at Front Range Community College. Okay, so you're going to answer all of the questions. There are usually just going to be 5 questions in here for you that cover main topics or ideas, definitions, things like that. Okay, you might have one that's matching, that's only worth 1 point, but you have to get all of them correct, like you did this week, something like that. Okay, then we're going to, you should save as you go, or it's pretty short, so save all responses is fine. Submit the quiz again. Submit your quiz. Yes, submit the quiz. Okay, and then you want to wait until I grade it. Okay, don't immediately go and retake it when it tells you, if there's short answers, you want to wait until I've graded it. If not, it will grade it automatically. And so what I'm trying to do for the rest of the course is have it just automatically grade these for you and just show you the grade right away. And so it would pop up here and say 4 out of 5 or 5 out of 5. Okay. And so let me pause really quick. I'm going to go grade that. I just can't have you all looking in the grade book with me. So I'll be right back with you after I grade my own quiz attempt. So I went in and I published that grade. So now I can see I got 4 out of 5. So I get an 80%. Okay. If I want to go in, I can click on that. It'll tell me it's been submitted successfully. Okay, 4 out of 5 is the score. I have them set up so you should be able to go in and view your responses. I just don't have this one set up because it's extra steps that aren't necessary right now. But when you go in to look at your quizzes, it should show you correct and incorrect answers. And then you can see where you messed up and you can attempt it again. But once I have an 80%, now if I go back to the content page or to discussions, oh, here we go. Here's my example topic I have to post in the discussions now. So click there or go to discussions. You'll see the ones we already have. Okay, example topic. This is for this week, so I click on it. Start a new thread. Okay, let's pull that over so you all can see it. Okay, example thread. Here's the body of my thread. Perfect. Post it. You want to subscribe. Okay, post. And then I post it in there. Okay, then other students will post and you can respond to those and should respond to those as it is part of your grade. Okay, that's what I need you to do every single week in that order. So step 1, assigned readings. Step 2, guided learning activity. Step 3, reading quiz to 80% proficiency. Step 4, discussion topics. And then if there's any other assignments due that week or any other exams or anything due that week, those will be listed here and you'll do those as well. Hopefully that can clear that up for everyone. And now starting this coming week, we can get everything done in the right order. Just remember to post or complete this reading quiz in time to post and engage with your classmates in the discussion topics. Okay, and I'm leaving that bit open-ended. I know some of you work all week or have kids and you don't really have time to get to things until the weekend when a significant other can watch the children while you work, or you're not working, something like that. Okay, so it's a bit open-ended for you. I would suggest doing the reading quiz very early. I would do it in the week Wednesday is when I would have it done. And then the rest of the week you can devote to reviewing the material, asking me questions, asking your classmates questions, doing the discussion topics, focusing on your final project, that sort of thing. Okay, so hopefully that helps you all. If you weren't having any trouble with D2L, fantastic. If so, I hope this worked out some kinks for you, and I'll see you guys soon.